Friends, Bhagavad Gita is most renowned book in the whole world, and there are so many concepts in Bhagavad Gita related to practical human life. Similar concept is there of Papa and Punya. In Indian tradition, the word Papa and Punya are described frequently and dealt with by almost all the Shastras. So, generally we think Papa means sin and Punya means virtue. But this literal meaning of Papa and Punya is not going to help us. If we have a deep study of Bhagavad Gita, the concept of a Papa and a Punya is not merely the sin or the virtue as we speculate or as we consider or as many scholars tell us about it. Papa is a very essential technical term. Similarly, the Punya is also a very significant technical terms, and these words, they are related with the human life, the future of the human life. Papa in Bhagavad Gita means all those acts which downgrade the human being to the lower species of animal, birds, trees, insects. So if we commit all those actions which downgrade a human being to the lower species, those acts are known as Papa karmas. Similarly, Punya karmas are those acts which elevate a human being spiritually. So, a human being becomes divine being. All such acts which help the cause of elevation of human being to the divinity level, those acts are known as Punya karmas. For more detail about such concepts, I invite you to attend our Bhagavad Gita Mastery course launched by Vedic Science Virtual Vishva-Vidyapeeth, USA. You can visit our website www.vedicscience.net. Thank you.